Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to create, or perhaps just make use of, some markers on the ground. I had some sidewalk chalk that I did it with, but often I'll do it with stones or acorns or something that I find to kind of help you representationally reference the relationship of one move to another move in the form. Often we kind of representationally represent them up here, out here, where I'm going, what I'm doing with my hands, and we kind of lose sight of where we are. So I've just kind of graphed a particular move for a student today, but this can help me kind of recognize, later when I do this step, where is that step in relation to my starting point? Where is that step in relation to another place? So have a little bit of fun with that. I find it to be a really helpful way to illuminate um, the um, the relationships between geometric places and spaces in the form in your practice. So enjoy that and look for the missing pieces to your art. Fill them in.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.